Welcome to a transformational journey, the 30-day Keto Challenge. This is a voyage of discovery, a test of willpower, and a testament to the power of the keto diet. Over the next month, we'll be delving into the world of ketogenic eating, testing its limits, and uncovering its benefits. Buckle up for a ride that promises to be as enlightening as it is exciting. Day 1, and it's time to bid adieu to carbs. The first few days are all about transition, as the body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for energy. It's a drastic change, and it's not without its challenges. The dreaded keto flu, a collection of symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability, can rear its ugly head, but it's a small price to pay for the benefits that lie ahead. Fast forward to day 7, and the body is fully in the groove of ketosis. Energy levels are soaring, hunger pangs are a thing of the past, and the scale is already showing a significant drop in weight. It's a struggle to say no to the usual carb-loaded favorites, but the results speak for themselves. The halfway mark, day 15, brings with it a sense of accomplishment. The body feels lighter, the mind clearer. There's a newfound appreciation for the rich, satisfying flavors of keto meals. The struggle with cravings has dwindled, replaced by a steady resolve to see the challenge through. By day 20, the transformation is visibly apparent. Clothes fit better, energy levels are through the roof, and there's a general sense of well-being that's hard to ignore. The initial skepticism has given way to staunch belief in the power of the keto diet. Finally, day 30 arrives, and it's time to take stock of the journey. The results are astounding. The body is leaner, healthier, the mind sharper. The 30-day keto challenge has proven to be not just a diet, but a lifestyle change. The keto revolution is here, and it's transforming lives one day at a time. It's time for you to join the ranks of those who have discovered the power of ketogenic eating. Click the link in the description to access a treasure trove of delicious, free keto recipes that will kickstart your journey to a healthier, happier you. The road to transformation begins here. Are you ready to take the first step? Click here.